Norn. Every step watched. Real-time quality and security monitoring for AI agents. We paste a GitHub link. Norn scans the code, detects tools, and generates a test task all automatic. Click Run to start the agent. While waiting for the execution to complete, let's check the backend process. I can see all the steps live on the dashboard. Now I'm reading through Nova Light's detailed AI analysis report. Now let's see how we monitor CLI agents in real time using NornHook integration. I'm starting the agent from the terminal and instantly every tool call begins streaming to the Norn dashboard step by step. The test results show pass rate, efficiency, security scores, and overall quality all in one view. And here I'm reading through the detailed evaluation report that Nova generated at the end of the session. Now let's switch to Swarm mode, Norn's dedicated monitor for multi-agent pipelines. I'm launching a 3-agent pipeline from the terminal researcher, writer, and editor chained in sequence. As agents coordinate and complete tasks, every tool call and handoff streams live to the Swarm monitor with per-agent alignment, efficiency, and security scores. And here's Nova's end-to-end evaluation, cross-agent alignment, quality metrics, and overall pipeline performance in a single report. Norn operates in 3 guard modes: monitor for passive observation, intervene to halt looping agents, and enforce the most critical, which terminates sessions on security violations. Let's try enforce mode. Session terminated instantly before a single tool call could execute. The report confirms it. Prompt injection detected with severity 9 across 3 attack categories. 0 steps executed, security score 0, status, terminated. The agent never got a chance to act. One note: the shadow browser audit feature isn't shown in this demo due to regional API restrictions, but the code is fully written and passes all tests. If you get a chance to try it, I'd love to hear your feedback. Norn is a real-time quality and security monitoring platform for AI agents because no critical system should scale without oversight. NornHook gives you step-level scoring, multi-agent pipeline tracking, and active security enforcement. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out with any questions or feedback.